Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at this solar pool cover reel that I purchased off Amazon for around $82 for the complete system. Let's take a closer look. Now when you buy the complete system, you get both the reel and the pole. The pole comes in 3 different segments. Now with the 3 poles, you have a center pole here, which is bigger, and the 2 other poles go inside this. They want at least 9 inches from the end. So I've gone ahead and marked 9 inches here, and then so it just inserts like that. Now there's several parts I've already assembled here. You got the reel system here, which just screws in. I'm curious to see how long this will last. I actually switched out a hex screw here and used an extra stainless screw that came, which was a little bigger. I think it's gonna be a little more tough and last longer. The supports are pretty good. Had to say I was a little concerned about this, but stainless screws supports the base right here, and then your reel system sets in here. You have 2 small sets of rollers right here, and this whole unit sets in here. This allows the PVC to spin. And then your segments of pipe, they actually just go into the end here. And I ran into one issue in here where one was really snug and the other one was pretty loose. I read some reviews on Amazon where this was problematic for users because as you turn this unit here, this just spins. So I went ahead and took a piece of Gorilla Tape and just went around it once and then just used a rubber hammer to tap this whole unit into the pipe, and it seemed to work pretty well. It hasn't moved at all. So I'm finding with this kit just a few modifications to make this a little bit better. I've gone ahead and placed some of these lag bolts with all stainless steel lag bolts, a better match here, especially with the elements in the weather. The system also comes with these brackets and straps here to attach to the actual pool cover. These are about 3 feet each in length or so. Now I just need to make an adjustment to the overall length of the pipe here. Go ahead, mark that out, drill in, attach a couple of lag bolt stainless steel screws, which I've replaced. Once we're good there, we'll go ahead and attach the pool cover, and this thing should be good to go.
That's it.
Right there?
Perfect.
Looking pretty good there.
Perfect.
Alright guys, take a look at the cover here with the straps put on. So what we did was, my wife and I, we found the center of the pole and we just measured in thirds from there. Rolling up the solar cover is much easier now with a new pool reel installed. A single person can easily handle the reel and solar pool cover. The next step in the project is to install a 4x4 post in the upper corner of the pool so the cover can swing out and rest while the pool is in use. Until the post is installed, we'll just remove the cover in the meantime. All in all, for around $80, the solar pool cover reel seems to be a good buy. With a few modifications, the reel system can be improved as outlined in this video. We have purchased extra parts through an additional reel set minus the pole for around $22 on Amazon. This will give us a third mount for the 4x4 post as well as replacement parts in case anything breaks. Thanks for watching and have a great day.